All right, my friends, welcome back. Let's do a quick oil change on the new CFMoto Ibex 450. We just hit 600 miles on the odometer. Check that out. Am I good or am I good? And it's time to go through our break-in oil change. So let's keep it simple. Not a lot of blabbing. Let's just dive in.
That's about it for me. As you saw, it was super easy. I will say, be careful taking the skid plate off. It was a little tricky. It's very easy to strip the hex bolts, and the dealership really cranked them down. So I was lucky to get them all off, and when I tightened them, I put a little Loctite on them and definitely didn't tighten them as much as they were. Otherwise, ran into no problems. Oil went in easy peasy. Yeah, drained out, no problem. Put in about 2.7 quarts or so, so a little bit more than the book recommended. It's nice that you can just buy the oil change kit from CFMoto and be on your way. which is what I did. Cost me 50 bucks. Got 3 quarts of oil, the O-ring, and the filter. And I suppose that's a little pricey, but it is nice to just buy the kit and do the thing. Cleaned the brakes, checked all my connections and my lines and my throttles and my clutches and my spokes and my coolant, and put a little lube on the chain. Everything seems to be in order as expected. The chain slack looks good. So didn't really have to do anything else. Just had to swap out the oil and we are officially broken in. That's a great feeling. No more worrying about running the engine too hard. Now we can just ride the bike like it's meant to be ridden. 601 miles. All right, well, as you can see, we've got a little bit of snow still hanging out here in Flagstaff. Look at that. Fantastic. With that, I'm going to sign off. Thanks for following along, everybody. Hopefully that was quick and easy and you also don't run into any problems. But yeah, take care. Be safe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.